Alright, another way that you can do the lavender, lemon, and peppermint blend for seasonal support is a good way to use it if you're just starting out and you don't know how oils are going to feel or act or do on your skin, is to make a roller ball. Now, these are the little parts to the roller ball. It's got the little steel ball in the plastic, and then it has a lid that comes with it. You can get these off of Amazon, and I'll post a link at the bottom of this. But you want to start out by taking your oils, and I'm going to start with the lavender first. And you're going to put 10 drops inside the roller ball. So just count it off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next thing you want to do is either your lemon or your peppermint. It really doesn't matter, but we're going to do lemon. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the last one I'm going to use is the peppermint. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you can, ideally, you would want to close this up, let it sit for about 12 to 24 hours so that they can blend together and really synergize, but not necessarily. You don't have to do it. The next thing you want to do is grab your carrier oil. I keep mine in this little soap dispenser that I got off of Amazon. I fill it up with avocado oil, and then I also have another one that's got grapeseed oil in it. And then it fits perfectly, y'all. Look at this. Right in there, and then you just fill it up until there's enough carrier oil to the top. And then what you want to do is take your little ball, Fitbit. It's going to sit there and push it on. Make sure it snaps. If you can't get it to snap all the way, which I don't think you can see, mine's not on all the way, just put the lid on and push down on it, and it will push it into place. And there you go. Now, same concept, you can take it and start back here behind your ear and roll it on and go down, and then put some on your wrist and then rub it together. You can even put some on your chest. Depends on how much support you need as to where you may want to put it. This is one that I would make and give it to the kids to keep in their pockets, so if they're out and about, then they can use it to apply as needed. Another little side trick is if you've already got some old bottles and you're already using the ingredient like the lemon, is to go ahead and add your lavender and your lemon and your peppermint into that, and add on just a steel roller ball that you can get, and then be sure to label it. Like, I have LLP, and everybody in the house knows what LLP is. So, but there's another way to use the lemon, lavender, peppermint to help support your seasonal allergies.